Hi, my name is Igor. I'm the owner and founder of Cool Cat Fence. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you in detail what you can expect working with our company.
We have been in need of a fence for a long time, but starting the process seemed like such a daunting task that we kept putting it off.
Have you been delaying your fence project because you had a bad experience in the past? Or you're worried about the whole process? Well, with us, getting a fence has never been easier. All you have to do is go to coolcatfence.com and click on Schedule Now, choose the date and time frame that works best for you. After that, the ball is in our hands, and we will guide you through the whole process.
The day of the estimate, Cool Cat sent a text message of who is the project manager coming over and where his geotag location is. I knew the person who's coming, and that made me feel more safe. I feel like they went above and beyond for their customer that way.
At Cool Cat Fence, we are committed to always continuing to improve great customer experience. That's why all our workers are in-house employees, and we do not work with contractors to make sure our customers get the best experience.
Once he arrived here, we walked around our property. We showed him what needs to be changed with our fence. He showed me different styles. I picked one. I knew going into it what I wanted. Within 30 minutes, I had a detailed estimate sent to my phone, and the price was right in my budget. So with the project manager still here, we were able to pick a date that works for me for them to come and install our fence. The crew arrived at the time and at the date that we had planned, and again, I got a text message ahead of time letting me know where they are and who is coming to my home. Every time they had a question, crew communicated very well with me. It turned out to be a big plus for me. The crew was also very meticulous in their work. The day that they brought all the material, I watched the employees go through every single board that they brought to make sure it was up to standard for the fence. So after they completed the project, the foreman, Jose, he took me around the property and we did a final walkthrough to make sure that I was happy with their work, and I was. They did a really good job, and only then did we do the final sign-off. I'm really happy that this is one project that is crossed off our to-do list. It looks amazing. They did a great job. I have the peace of mind of letting my kids go out there and play and not worry about the wasps or the ivy or my dog taking down the fence and going on, because it was in really bad shape before they got here. And so we really get to enjoy our backyard more now. I'm really satisfied with the work that Cool Cat Fence did, and I would recommend them to anybody looking for a new fence.